It's too dark. So I'm going to go inside this reflected light and make it a little, I'm going to leave the edges of what I've got and just kind of lighten up the middle just a little bit. See what that is. Yeah, it's nice. I'd have an easier time with a sable. That's getting there. Now, what you can do, you might decide, I'm starting to decide maybe this core shadow is can be a little darker. But I'm going to work on this transition first for a second. Actually, while I've got this on my brush, I'm going to stick it over here too. There.
So should all the reflected light be the same color for each object?
Not necessarily, no. Like this is a little more orangey. You really need to just take every situation individually and just kind of assess what you see and then paint what you see, you know. It's a very intuitive kind of observational kind of thing. There we go. Let's play with this one for a second here. Around that highlight. Never did like that highlight. Now, down here. Kind of making a bit of a mid-tone color. A little bit darker, a little bit warmer than that initial light. Just pushing that into the shadow, making a little bit more of a transition. Now I could probably, if you guys want to keep wanting to see what a sable can do, just real quick, see what I can do about that edge with this guy here. Probably just about get rid of the brush strokes altogether with the sable if you wanted to.
Is that what they're mainly used for? Is it blending?
Blending, yeah, and also very sharp lines too. Yeah, that's better. All right, I think my time's up. Now you guys do it. Yeah,
So,
not bad for 45
so
minutes.
the rest of this, you would just add the details?
Yeah, I mean, it's
With the
not
same-
like, it's not like you suddenly switch into painting details. You just get more and more refined kind of gradually, you know. I wouldn't suddenly start painting the little bumps on here.
How about the hard edges?
So the edges, you know, they're all pretty soft. Right now, I would probably start refining some edges and kind of gradually making some of them harder. Like there's a little bit of a hard edge in the stem here. There's not too many hard edges over here, but I might eventually like go in here and maybe bring this into focus a little bit more, say like that, you know. But that's another thing that happens gradually. It's not like suddenly I'm going to go around and sharpen everything up. So,
Yeah, you could see the reflected shadows of light pretty good. They kind of glow.
yeah. Thanks.
All right. That done with a sable?
Yeah. There you go.
All right.
That's really good. Yeah, it doesn't work over here.
Can I see that?
So I'm still here. I mean, my hands.
Wow.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
On the
that's why
camera,
he
everything's
is,
purple.
he's been trying to call
Oh,
me.
is it?
Yeah, it looks different.
Oh, that was your husband?
Yeah. That's- yeah, back on.
Okay.